Hey guys, now we have the latest smartphone from Redmi, and so this is a Redmi K70 Ultra edition, and we just bought it from the Xiaomi offline store, and now we have the unboxing video for you. Yes, so this time we have the Redmi K70 Ultra White Edition, 60GB RAM plus 1TB ROM. Oh, so it's a high specification one. And next, let's open it and check what's inside the box. Okay, next, let me unbox it. So this is Redmi. Package. Okay, now we get the smartphone out from the box and put it here and here. Let's check what's outside the smartphone. Okay, charger. Let's check. Okay, it's a Type-C to USB-A cable. Okay. So here is the charger. This time is a 120-watt fast charger. Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra provide. Okay, so this all stuff inside. Okay, I think we can also open this and check the accessories. Okay, SIM card adapter. Okay. Okay. User menu. Case. Just the normal case provides. Nothing special. Okay, all the stuff here. And okay, let's go to the smartphone. Okay. White color. Now we take the Redmi K70 Ultra from the soft plastic bag, and now the phone is in front of us. Okay, we can take a close look at it, check it from different angles, different sides. Power button with texture, not flat. Type-C speaker, camera zoom. Okay, so this time it's powered by the triple rear camera system. It's a 50 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel macro lens, and the main one is the IMX906 here. AI camera, 50 megapixel YS. Okay. Camera zoom is raised and black circle, and the glass raised part, camera zoom part. Frame very thin, not too heavy. And this one. And if we go to front, you can find this time it's used a 6.67-inch OLED, 4-side same bezel screen. It supports 1.5K display resolution and maximum 144 Hz refresh rate. So we go to the settings to check the display, screen time, additional setting, my device information, display here, dark mode, light mode, refresh rate, customize, yes, up to 144, and okay, about this device. So here we have the device information, Redmi K70 Ultra 1 TB, details, storage information, 28 GB RAM, 1 TB, 32 occupied. Okay, so Redmi K70 Ultra, RAM, ROM, CPU, quad-core, maximum 3.4 GHz, and this time they used the MTK MediaTek Dimensity 9300 MT Plus chips. OS okay, so this is the basic specification about this device, and also this time the Redmi K70 Ultra worked with MediaTek to bring these customized chips, and the Antutu score reached to 2.38 million, and it's the top 100 Antutu score device in the market. Very nice. And next we can talk about the battery, the charger, and also the dimensions about this device, because it's very thin and very weight light. And yes, we can check about dimension, because this time the dimension about this device, take a close look at it. Is length 160, and the weight 75.1, and thickness just 8.54. Yeah, not too big, right? It's very friendly for one hand, and also the weight is just 1 gram, not so heavy, and also it's powered by a 5500 battery with 120 watt fast charger. It's very nice. And also we can go to the front to check the design. Four bezel, same narrow bezel, 4 sides, up, down, left, right, full display, screen display. Very nice, straight screen. Again, just the brightness. Check the also near small punch hole camera. Okay. It's very not too heavy and thin, but the battery is big, 5500, and support maximum 120 watt fast charging. So normally 25 minutes you get a fully charged at 100%, and also this time the Xiaomi use their on-developed chips for battery and charge battery and chip, and also the G1 battery managed chips. Okay, very nice. Normally you can use it for 1.5 days. Very cool. It's a big battery, and the charging speed this time for the glass is used on Xiaomi Dragon glass. This also support IP68 rating, and this time for the durabilities 10 times than before. The first time is the Xiaomi Dragon glass. So at last, let's check the camera performance. Okay, I will also put the sample pictures at the end of the video. Maximum 10 times. And also the 20 megapixel front camera. Okay, 10 times. Also 6 times video. Okay. Okay, so this is a very short test about the new Redmi K70 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Let's attend the video for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.